So, you're probably thinking of moving up to a 4-stroke dirt bike. But hang on a second, have you checked out the 2-stroke models that are hitting the market right now? There's no denying that the 4-stroke engine is the standard at the moment, but let's not ignore the fact that modern 2-stroke dirt bikes are delivering exceptional horsepower as well. What is a 2-stroke engine? A 2-stroke dirt bike engine is a type of internal auto combustion cycle, intake, and exhaust. The fuel and air are drawn into the cylinder by an upward motion of the piston, compressed by a downward motion, mixed with fuel, and ignited by a spark plug or glow plug. What is a 4-stroke engine? When you ride a 4-stroke dirt bike, you can feel the power of the combustion engine in action that requires 4 piston strokes to complete a single cycle. The dirt bike's 4-stroke engine, which ignites during the intake stroke, creates an explosion that sends power through the machine. 2-stroke vs. 4-stroke dirt bike. The main difference between the 2-stroke vs. 4-stroke dirt bike lies in the weight and power. The 2-stroke dirt bike models are usually lighter than the 4-stroke dirt bike. Also, a 2-stroke engine has a superior power to weight ratio compared to a dirt bike with a 4-stroke engine. The 2-stroke bikes rev a lot faster than the 4-stroke bike engines and have reduced mass, torque, and inertia. Features comparison: 2-stroke vs. 4-stroke dirt bikes. Let's clear up the distinctions between 2-stroke vs. 4-stroke dirt bikes with the following features comparison. The weight: 2-stroke off-road bikes are generally lighter weight compared to their 4-stroke counterpart. The extra weight is usually found in the additional moving parts within the engine. A 2-stroke engine is fitted with only the bearings, crankshafts, rod, and piston. Maneuverability: there are some similarities between maneuverability and weight, lightweight or heavy, which can be confusing for new riders. But let's clarify some distinctions. Weight usually refers to the overall movement that is made up of the dirt bike's natural force, ground force, and rider's force. Power: 2-stroke dirt bikes technically generate more power per cubic centimeter. That simply explains why a 125 2-stroke can compete against a 250 4-stroke, and a 250 2-stroke can compete against a 450 4-stroke. Even though they don't generate the same horsepower, they produce comparable power, relatively speaking. Both off-road bike engines create unique power curve. Engine temperature: 2-stroke and 4-stroke dirt bike engines are liquid-cooled. This means they use a system of cavities, hoses, and radiators surrounding the cylinder wall to get rid of the heat generated by the engine. The 2-stroke off-road motorcycles can effectively idle at a lower RPM rate. Thus, they often run cooler at low speeds. 4-strokes, on the other hand, struggle to stay cool when riding very slow on technical tracks. Engine braking. Engine braking is normally correlated with the mass of the internal moving parts. A 4-stroke motorcycle engine provides consistent, strong engine braking all through the transmission. A 2-stroke model, in contrast, provides little to none. Starting: 2-stroke dirt bikes are usually easier to start, and you'll need less effort and energy to do so. In contrast, 4-stroke bikes are much heavier and need more strength to kick. But many new 4-stroke models feature electric starters, and they are becoming increasingly quicker and more reliable. They are incredibly reliable to the extent that some manufacturers of 4-strokes have removed the kick starter altogether. Traction: the consistent, smooth, linear power provided by 4-stroke engines usually offers better all-around traction compared to 2-strokes. When you are riding a 4-stroke bike, you will be able to apply strong power and traction to the ground regardless of the gear. 2-strokes continue to provide great traction, but due to the fluctuating power and decreased weight, they struggle to compete with 4-strokes. Clutch and throttle control. Dirt bike riding is all about a balance of throttle and clutch to achieve maximum power and traction. The engine will create peak traction and power within a given window in the RPM range. By effectively using clutch and throttle control, you can modulate the RPM range. 4-stroke motorcycles usually have a wider window in which they generate power and traction, so it is much easier to apply traction to the ground, and less modulation of the throttle and clutch is required. Vibration. 2-stroke dirt bike engines often distribute much of the rotational force caused by the motor throughout the frame as well as handlebars as high-frequency vibrations. The vibrating sensation may cause fatigue or the inability to properly grip the bike for inexperienced riders. We are going to end this video right away. If you have any query or information to share, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching.